G'day, here's a beautiful example of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. The material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. It's quite a crystal piece of opal, this piece. As you can see, the colours in the middle here. It's quite thick here. So I think you'll get a nice caboose on, and when you do cut the cab, you should end up with a nice, right, big, broad, rolling flashes of colour. There, it's coming through there now for you. The opal goes back up into the parent material here, so it might be worthwhile, or you have to anyway, is grind this down, and you might find it ends up even better underneath here. Can't guarantee, but even there's colour over in the white potch. But it's very crystal, well, quite see right through it. And this is quite white, creamy white colour. Anyway, I think that'll end up a nice stone, I hope. The person that buys it. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.